Well, because
Now we have 1 minute.
I don't know.
Welcome to Fougères Castle, one of the largest and most impressive medieval fortresses in Europe, located in the heart of Brittany, France. Our journey begins in the 11th century when the House of Amboise constructed the initial structure of Fougères Castle. This early fortress laid the foundation for what would become a pivotal stronghold during the turbulent Middle Ages. Strategically located near the border of Brittany and Normandy, Fougères Castle was a key player in the 100 Years' War between England and France. In the 15th century, the castle saw significant expansion under the powerful lords of Fougères, particularly the Laval family. This period marked the addition of formidable fortifications and numerous towers. Fougères Castle is renowned for its concentric design, featuring multiple layers of walls and defensive structures. A deep moat and extensive curtained walls were critical in defending against sieges. At the turn of the first millennium, a first chateau was built in Fougères to defend the northeastern part of the Duchy of Brittany's border area, known as the Brittany Marches. This initial stronghold was strategically placed at the intersection of key trade routes, with the primary goal of monitoring powerful neighbors and preventing incursions into Brittany. To the north, Normandy was controlled by the kings of England, eager to expand their continental holdings. The east was under the control of the French kings, who aimed to dominate the entire kingdom. Fougères Castle served as a crucial bulwark against these formidable neighbors, safeguarding Brittany from their expansionist ambitions. The castle soon became the seat of the influential House of Fougères. Nobles like Raoul II and Raoul III not only resided here, but also played key roles in Brittany's political and military spheres. The 100 Years' War saw the castle fall into English hands in 1449, but it was soon recaptured by French forces led by Arthur de Richemont. After Brittany's union with France in 1532, Fougères Castle came under the control of the French crown. It was managed by royal administrators and military governors responsible for maintaining regional order. The French Revolution marked a period of decline for the castle. It was partially dismantled and repurposed for various administrative functions. In the 19th and 20th centuries, restoration efforts transformed Fougères Castle from a military stronghold into a treasured historical monument. Today, Fougères Castle stands as a testament to Brittany's diverse and dynamic history. From medieval lords to royal administrators, each inhabitant has left an enduring mark on this fortress. thank you for joining us on this historical journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures through time. See you next time!